What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Roy and you're watching Roy's Customs. Today I'm going to be doing a tad bit of a review. Plus I'm going to be kind of showing you how to kind of find low spots. This is another method kind of, but first I wanted to show you this here. It is the Gator Zip Quick Change Mega Sponge from Walmart. I think it was about $5. Anyways, you get the Zip XL sanding paper, and you get the sponge separate, of course. Anyways, the thing is you only get 4 sheets of paper, and these are like $4 for 4 sheets. So anyways, it is a Velcro system. And it is basically like a durablock, kind of like a sponge block. That's pretty much all it is. And I've been kind of playing with it the past few days. I did get it a few days ago, and I have been kind of playing with it a little bit just to kind of see if I like it and stuff. And I've been just kind of knocking off the overspray is all I've really been doing. But if you want to go ahead and use this particular time in the process of doing your body work, you can actually kind of look for more low spots and stuff if you use a little bit of a guide coat. A guide coat could be anything from another color of primer. I'm not really using it as primer, I'm just going to use it as a guide coat. So let me show you how that works. What you kind of want to do is you just want to kind of lightly dust it onto the area that you're going to be sanding. Just lightly dust it. Okay, so being this was just a light dusting, this should actually be dry. That stuff says it takes 10 minutes to dry, but it should be dry. It's been about 10 minutes, so, and it's nice and warm outside. So anyways, what you kind of want to do is just take your block and just sand. This time you're not going to be doing hatching. You're just going to kind of be going one direction. Number one, we're just mostly knocking off the overspray, but we are still looking for low spots. Like I say though, if you sand all of your guide coat off, then that actually means that your panel should be smooth enough to do with your next coat of primer or paint, whatever you're ready for. So anyways, we do have a couple of little spots, but they're like little chips. The thing is, oh, there we go, got rid of it pretty quick. So anyways, you want to kind of look out for stuff like that. Like I say, we go all one direction this time. We don't variate like back and forth, because that's not what we're going for. So anyways, this is 220. It is pretty smooth, but it's not really paint ready. Like I say, whoops. Anyways, that's kind of how you do with the guide coat. As you can see, it is all gone. There is a little spot. This actually looks really good. So I must have gotten my dents and dings on the first go round. So anyways, like I say, it's just something I've been playing with. It is basically a durablock, but yeah, it's a different company. So, anyways, I really gotta say, I do like it. It works very well. It's a foam sanding block that you can actually change the sandpaper on. So I expected it to work. It's not like I had any doubts about it, but anyways, I'm okay with it. For what it costs, and it's at Walmart. It is not in the automotive section, it's not in the tool section, it is actually in the home interior paint section. I do go over to that section to look for different stuff for sanding and stuff sometimes, because well, a lot of times they might be out of the grit that I'm looking for, or something in the sandpaper in the automotive aisle or the automotive paint section. And so I'll just go over and go to the house paint and stuff, and I'll look over there, and well, I happened to see this hanging up, and I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. So for the past few days I've been knocking down overspray. That's the unfortunate thing about spray paint. You actually do end up with a lot of overspray, and that's the bad part about it. And it can be dealt with. It's just kind of a pain to have to deal with it. So anyways, that's my little spiel for today. I will have some more stuff come along very soon. I'll be doing some of this and that to the car and to the body, and like I say, I'm still going to finish up my side skirts, get those nice and clean and smooth and looking prime. So anyways, and I do still need to finish my end caps, but I did deal with some scrap today. I still got a pile over there that I still got to take care of tomorrow. It won't be but a few bucks, but it does need to go. So anyways, I'm going to say thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Appreciate you guys watching. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe. I have all kinds of stuff with cars and car audio, and different product reviews and stuff. So anyways, like, comment, hit the notifications so you can keep up with the channel, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.